Did you know that the average person applies over 500 synthetic chemicals to their body every day? From hidden toxins in skincare products to overpriced beauty scams, what you put on your skin matters more than you think. But what if the secret to glowing, healthy skin is already in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the top 10 most effective homemade skincare remedies that actually work. These are dermatologist-approved, budget-friendly, and free from harmful additives. If you want to save money, avoid chemicals, and achieve flawless skin naturally, stick around. And hey, if you love skincare hacks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beauty secrets every week. Let's get started. Ever feel like your skin looks dull and lifeless? Honey and lemon might be the answer. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, while lemon contains vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice, apply it for 10 minutes, and rinse. But be warned, lemon juice can make your skin sensitive to the sun, so always follow up with sunscreen. Pro tip: if you have sensitive skin, swap lemon for yogurt to get a gentler brightening effect. We've all been there. One day in the sun and suddenly you look like a tomato. Aloe vera to the rescue. This miracle plant not only soothes sunburns but also fights acne with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Just cut open an aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin. The cooling sensation is instant relief. Plus, studies show aloe vera speeds up wound healing, so if you have stubborn acne scars, this one's a game changer. If you want that golden hour glow without a filter, turmeric is your best friend. This ancient spice is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that calm redness and brighten skin. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with yogurt and a dash of honey for a powerful glow-boosting mask. But be careful. Turmeric stains everything, including your skin. If you don't want to walk around looking like a Simpsons character, rinse thoroughly and follow up with a gentle cleanser. You know that satisfying feeling of a fresh coffee brew in the morning? Now imagine that for your skin. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and improving circulation. Mix used coffee grounds with a little coconut oil and massage in circular motions. Bonus: caffeine helps tighten skin and reduce puffiness, making this a must-try before a big event. Ever wake up with puffy eyes that scream, "I didn't get enough sleep"? Green tea ice cubes are the ultimate fix. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and tighten the skin. Just brew some green tea, freeze it in an ice tray, and rub a cube over your face in the morning. It's like an instant wake-up call for your skin, minus the caffeine crash. If your skin is feeling irritated, inflamed, or just plain unhappy, oatmeal is the answer. Oatmeal contains beta-glucans that calm redness and restore the skin barrier. Blend a handful of oats into a fine powder, mix with warm water, and apply for 15 minutes. Your skin will thank you. Dermatologists even recommend this for eczema and rosacea, making it one of the most soothing remedies out there. Toners can be expensive, but rosewater? It's nature's toner. Rosewater balances pH levels, reduces redness, and gives your skin a natural glow. Just spritz it on your face after cleansing or use it as a refreshing mist throughout the day. Plus, it smells amazing, like walking through a rose garden minus the allergy season. Cucumbers aren't just for salads. They're one of the best natural hydrators for your skin. Packed with water and vitamin K, cucumbers help depuff, soothe, and hydrate. Blend a cucumber into a smooth paste, apply it to your face, and let the cooling magic work. It's like a spa day at home, minus the fancy price tag. If your skin is as dry as a desert, coconut oil is the hydration hero you need. This natural oil locks in moisture, reduces inflammation, and even has antibacterial properties. Just warm a little in your hands and apply it to dry areas. But here's a tip. If you have acne-prone skin, use it sparingly. Coconut oil can clog pores for some skin types. Rounding out the list is the holy grail of DIY skincare, the avocado face mask. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that deeply nourish the skin. Mash half an avocado with honey and a splash of olive oil, apply it for 15 minutes and rinse off for baby-soft skin. It's basically a superfood feast for your face. So there you have it, 10 powerful homemade skincare remedies that are natural, effective, and wallet-friendly. The best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to get glowing, healthy skin. Which remedy are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more beauty hacks. Stay radiant,